Here is your contract. Will Alfie be the biological father? There's no right answer. We can make a baby from one of your eggs, Rachel, and a stem cell from your skin, which makes men not necessarily needed in the procedure.
Oh, that's lovely. Thank you. It's great.
Unless you're aiming exclusively for a boy, in which case, we will need that chromosome Y.
Alfie will be the biological father.
Very well.
Yeah.
And have you made your choice?
What do you mean? What choice?
Well, do you want a boy or a girl?
We'll let nature decide.
Cool. That's quite unusual. Let nature decide then.
Okay.